Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1050 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out one of the products that I got in my December Ipsy Glam Bag, and I also got it as an add-on in my December Ipsy Glam Bag Plus because I redeemed points for this. And so this is the HANALEI Lip Treatment in the shade Clear. So if you want to see my unbaggings of my Ipsy Glam Bag and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I'll have those videos linked in the description down below. But I'm really excited about this because I have tried out a HANALEI lip treatment before, but in a tinted version, and I love it. And what's really sad is my lips are always dry. It's not like I have to be like, oh, my lips are dry today, so today's the day that I'll try out my HANALEI lip treatment. Like, no, just any time that I'm not wearing a lip product, basically my lips are chapped, especially nowadays because it's so cold. So this is the sample size. The full size version retails for $20, and this just sounds amazing. It's cruelty-free, all natural. It's made without parabens, phthalates. It has coconut oil. It has kukui oil. So this is a Hawaii-based brand. So they have these cool Hawaiian ingredients in their products. Ooh, and it says it has like a tropical scent. I'm excited. This is very similar packaging to the other HANALEI lip treatment that I have. And my only complaint is that I don't love the packaging. Like, I want to apply it directly to my lips because it is like a squeezy applicator like this, but it doesn't have like the smoothest, easiest application to apply it right out of this. You see what I mean? I feel like if it was just like a smoother, more angled top, it would be easier. But I mean, it's a clear formula, so it's gonna be pretty easy to apply anyways. So I'm just gonna go for it. And it is an interesting texture because it's pretty like solid at first. Like, it's kind of hard to squeeze it out, but then it kind of melts down into more of an oil when it's on the lips. Like, it kind of reminds me of a more solid, thicker petroleum jelly texture. But you know what? I don't get any scent from this. Like, I would be convinced that this is fragrance free. Yeah, and I actually kind of get a bit of an unpleasant taste. It kind of reminds me, like, I've tried out other lip balm lip treatments before that just had like a really awful, weird taste to them. And this kind of has that a little bit. I do like that it has a little bit of sheen. So if you're wearing this alone, it still adds a little something to the lips. But for something that claims to be a lip treatment, to be super hydrating and all that, my lips are still kind of chapped, and there's like visible chapped texture still to my lips, which this would go away with like other lip kind of treatments, balms, oils that I've tried before. So I just don't really think that this is as hydrating as it could be. But I am super picky. Like, I have such dry lips that I'm a harsh critic of how moisturizing and hydrating a lip product is. Like, don't get me wrong, it drastically improved how dry my lips are. And they look a little bit more smoothed out. I actually kind of feel like it's absorbed a bit, like it's not as shiny anymore, which is kind of good in a sense of where like it has hydrated my lips, but it also doesn't seem like it's super long lasting if it's already kind of disappearing from my lips and I just applied it. Well, I'm kind of bummed because I was really expecting to love this a lot more, and I have two of them. So like, my lips feel better, they look better right now, but I'm just not super blown away by this, or it's not doing exactly what I kind of hoped and expected it to do. But I'm very curious. If you got this in your bag or if you've tried this before, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, because maybe someone that doesn't have as dry lips as I do might really love this. Then again, it doesn't have like a nice scent to it, and I keep getting that weird taste. So I don't really know what I love about this. But you know, my reviews are always honest, and I feel bad when I don't love a product, but that's what I make these videos for, to give you information on making purchases, all of that. Sorry that Dexter is barking again. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.